Hello everyone, as you can see my hands are messy. I am really enjoying painting tonight all by myself in the garage. So I'm really excited to, like, I was doing some painting and I'm going to do one more. So what are we doing today? I have this 12-inch by 12-inch wooden panel, and I'm going to use this yellow as my base coat. Actually, what is its name? Anyway, this is just this yellow. Let me put it away. Okay, so the colors that I have, first Nickel Gold, Afterglow, Rosé, what else do we have? Supernova, should I add something different, very different? No. Well, how about some soap? I have Egotistical here mixed. Egotistical. Anyway, don't make fun of my pronunciation. Okay, this is a color. This is going to be the fall base, which is from Prism Board. This is called Midnight Shadow. The reason I am using the Prism Board is because it's pretty opaque, and you know what? Oops. So now I'm just wetting the sides of the canvas or wooden panel so it doesn't go rolling on us. It will roll anyway, but I just don't want it to go like everything rolling underneath. Okay. So I'm going to use this one from Fluid Company again. Black cell activator using the triad. Okay. You know what? Let's use some more. Oh, wow. Okay, so let's see how it goes. This is so pretty, I'm telling you. Let me, you know what? Let's see how it goes. Opening up a little. Whoa, it's magical. So some problems, I need more paint on this side, so I'm just going to go ahead and give it to it because it's so pretty. I don't want to. If you find that at the end you have less paint on your surface like I have right now, just use your palette knife to add some extra paints to cover up everything as I'm doing now.
People knew her by her will to make it whatever she put her mind to. Late night hours up the hill, serving coffee to strangers, talking about revenue. She kept dreaming of a world big enough for everyone. She knew it must rain before it grows. She kept dreaming of the day butterflies survive the wheel, even though she got knocked down and never showed. Dear Lily, where'd you go? Where's your heart at? Why'd you fall back? Lately your afterglow is shining brighter, waking up an easy egg. I remember her in songs, decades old, but it doesn't matter. Stumble across old memories, try to recall before they all shatter. She kept dreaming of a world big enough for everyone. She knew it must rain before it grows. She kept dreaming of the day butterflies survive the wheel, even though she got knocked down and never showed.
So let me talk to you about this. I like the composition a lot. It turned out really pretty. However, I mixed the prism pour with only US Floetrol, which gave me this grainy look. I did not have enough pouring medium, which is Shelley Bloom pouring medium mixed with me, so that's why I used that, but it doesn't work because you can see all the grains literally spattering everywhere. It doesn't look bad, it looks actually really cool, but again I was not looking for that one. So that's the part I have to fix. Once I fix it, it's going to be so beautiful. I want to do another one of these, and the way it's going here, oh, so pretty. Jessica is a genius. She's the one who figured out this technique. So I'm really thankful that she did. I'm thankful to her, and I'm going to explore more on this technique because I'm really loving how it's turning out for me. So thank you so much for joining me today. Let me bring you close up so you can have some idea how it really looks, and I'll show you after it dries too. I hope you can see all the shimmers and the glitters. So pretty. See here the graininess, that's something it's bothering me. Again, it gives a very cool effect, don't get me wrong, but I would probably like to see it without any grain. So here we are. So thank you for joining me today. Until next time, bye.